got some tornado damage in the area.
The tornadoes was whooping up the trees.
We were told it was like hopping. Some houses got damaged. Like this house coming up here, he's got his roof is being repaired. And that house is new. I wonder if they just built a new house.
Here,
I got it. Let's try. All the trees all broken.
There's an aluminum shed wrapped around a tree.
You see, it was on that side of the road. This right side's
There's
okay.
Pieces of the shed. There's
Oh yeah.
more wrapped around.
What the heck?
That's where the car was broken down. That's it.
Yeah, you can see where it went from one side of the road, and then it was on that side.
Tornado. Look at that. All those trees broken and like King Kong went crazy through the woods. Tornadoes. Tornadoes in Arkansas. Yeah.
Scary.
Terrible. A lot of people got to clean up, cut down the trees, pick up all the rubbish.
There's some
deal with their shredded tool sheds. But it sure is a beautiful day. I don't know. We heard of thunderstorms and rain, but looks like we brought the sun from Hawaii with us when we came. And the heat. Nah, these guys got the heat already.
Yeah, they got the heat.
We don't need to bring none to them guys. They got it already. Even down here has
Damage.
a bunch of tornado
trees over there too.
The thing goes pretty far, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know if it was always like that. Some of these homes, they look like they got hit by the tornado, but they didn't. That's just how they normally look. All the tops of the trees all broken down. All ball ahead. And the graveyard.
I don't know if you can see that, but there's buzzards in the sky.
Buzzards in the sky.
And limestone rock walls. Not nature's rock walls.
And a big, super gigantic feed pillar.
That's a train station place. See the train station?
Yeah, the train
tracks.
The train loads up the grain.
And then it does say Butterball.
See? Yeah, Butterball Company. Did a train, all the cars. They put the grain in there.
Is this where the turkeys get it?
They feed all these cows you see all along this side. They all eat that grain. And the grass. The grass is the grain. I noticed the cows, y'all hiding underneath the trees.
Because it's hot.
Yeah. Cows don't like eat.
Or else they're in that sump water.
I saw online that the cows produce less milk when they're stressed by the heat. Isn't that weird? Or not weird. I would think that would be more interesting. The peace, love, billboard. Peace and love makes us happy.